Yo guys, look what we have here. This is the VEVA Elite Pro Series Air Purifier. This is the 8000 model. This thing is for homes with large room up to 325 square feet. Opening the box up with the instruction manual right here, right there. Okay, we got, the carbon filter right here. Removing the air purifier. Here we have it, the VEVA Elite Pro 8000 series. We don't need that. Yeah. Film right here. Let's take out the film. Take out that. Nice. I like the gloss black right here. It says remove HEPA filter from protective bag. You got to do that first. So this thing is magnetic, very easy. Just lift this up and ta-da, there it is. See the HEPA filter? It has a protective cover. Let's go ahead and remove the protective cover right now. And here is our HEPA filter. So now that our HEPA filter is removed from the bag, we can put it back in just like that. And look, there's Velcro right here. And that Velcro is where we attach the carbon filter onto this thing. Here's our carbon filter. We don't get just one. We have 4 of them. Nice. Let's go ahead and use one. So we'll take the carbon filter and just place it right on top here. And the Velcro takes care of everything. Nice. Perfect. Now, if you don't have Velcro facing you like this, that means you installed the HEPA filter the wrong way. So flip it around. See right there? There's an arrow. That arrow points in the machine. You see that arrow? It points in the machine. So grab that arrow, point it into the machine, and then that is it. Let's go ahead and put the front cover on. Remember, it's magnetic. Nice. All we gotta do now is plug this thing in, and we can start purifying our rooms up to 325 square feet. So the controls are right on top, right here. We got our on-off switch right here. Let's go ahead and switch it on. Oh yeah, it's working now. Nice, quiet, good amount of breeze, but super quiet. Let's go ahead and turn it on to level 2. Not much noisier, but a good amount of airflow right now. I think this is a nice, comfortable setting. You can feel the airflow, not too loud, but you can definitely feel the airflow at level 2. We got one more level. Let's kick it up another notch. Now we're on level 3. Woo! That is some good airflow. Now this is purifying the air. Remember, we got the carbon filter and the HEPA filter. This thing is making some noise, not too loud, but the airflow is great. The VEVA Elite Pro 8000 air purifier, up to 325 square feet of air purification for your needs, guys. I'm using this in my home gym, and it's not so fresh in here, but this air purifier is gonna take care of the job. Don't forget, guys, this is a true air purifier, so it does more than just eliminate odors. It can take care of fine dust particles, pollens, and a bunch of other stuff that will filter your air so that you have nice, clean air to breathe. The VEVA Elite Pro Series 8000.